Hello and welcome to Eisen training video number 3. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to remove deep scratches from acrylic and polycarbonate, otherwise known as Lexan, plexiglass, and a variety of other manufacturers' names. You'll see here in front of you we have a display case from a museum that has received considerable damage. It was taken out of service because of this spot right here, which is a chemical burn, not exactly sure what, but something aggressively melted and damaged the plastic. But next to it you'll see two almost identical scratches here, both of which are scratches that you can feel with your fingernails, indicating a fairly deep scratch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up one of these, remove the other, and show you how we can restore this back to its original quality and shine. I'm going to cover up this mark while I work on removing this one. This is actually a little bit deeper mark down here in the lower edge, significantly deeper. I'm going to begin by using 1000 grit wet dry sandpaper and immediately go after the damaged area. Keeping my surface wet and making sure that I'm working in all directions across the scratch. Once I think that I've accomplished some removal, I'll pause, take a microfiber cloth, clean my work area, and get down so that I can see a nice glare here. And what I'm seeing is that the scratch left by a buffing wheel has been removed. I'm going to go ahead and hit it again lightly, just to make sure that I've removed all of those scratches. You can see I'm also expanding out a little bit, simply because I noticed some other light surface scratches, and I want to demonstrate how easy it is to get those out as well. Alright. Clean that up. I also avoid touching the work area with my bare hands, just because the raw acrylic has a tendency to soak up the oils from your skin and can leave a mark. We don't want anything to hamper the final results. Inspecting the area again, I see a couple of minor areas there that I want to touch up a little bit further. What you're looking for here is a uniform haze and a uniform hue to that haze. That will indicate that every square inch of the work area has received the same level of sanding. At this point we're going to move on to step 2, which is just another level of wet dry sandpaper, and here we'll be using 3000 grit. Same process, covering the complete work area, making sure that you're getting corner to corner coverage, like to flip my sandpaper frequently, making sure that I'm getting good cutting surface and increasing the efficiency of my project. Here you'll begin to see fairly dramatic results as soon as you get working on it. And again, clean the surface area with a microfiber cloth. Get a good look at the repair area, see if there's any visible surface scratches. Also looking for that same uniform haze, but a uniform hue to that haze. Everything looks good there. We're going to move right on to step 3, which is a chemical step. We affectionately refer to this as our mustard. And we will be applying this with a small buffing wheel, wool buffing wheel, on a drill. We will keep the RPM slow to avoid slinging the product, as well as enhancing the results. You don't want to create excessive temperatures. I repeat this same step twice by machine and once by hand. And as mentioned, final hand application. And I'll use a clean corner of the same rag, ensuring I get all of the residual off. We can move straight on to step 4, which we affectionately refer to as mustard. And this we hand buff on in the same fashion that we did with the mayonnaise. On there. Ensuring complete coverage. And this also provides UV protection. So this will make it easier to clean and protect the plastic from crazing and drying out down the road. We remove this by machine as well, and here we're just going to use a larger DeWalt polisher with a 9-inch wool buffing wheel. At this stage, we'll give it a final polish. microfiber cloth. And wow, you should be able to see the dramatic results there in quite a short amount of time. I will remove the clear duct tape, revealing the scratch, identical scratch, that was in the same position previously. And there you have it. That completes the Eisen demonstration on how to restore scratches from clear acrylic and polycarbonate.